Hi guys, just thought I'd give you an update. This is the scooter that I've built. It's a Yamaha Mio or something like that. So basically I've used an alternator connected directly to the gearbox of the scooter, not utilizing the front part of the motor or the clutches, which is just not necessary. Then it's got a twist throttle right there. The voltage is a bit low, I don't know if you can see, but it's currently 77 volts. And then I've also connected the ignition switch, so this runs all the other stuff like the lights and stuff like that, and indicators and all the stuff like that. Okay, so switch that off. So yeah, basically I've used an alternator. I think it's like a 45 amp or something like that alternator. Then down there I've got a brushless controller, just a cheap Chinese brushless controller, which is rated, you can run on 48, 60 and 72 volts from 25 to 35 amperes. Then here I've also got a Chinese converter, which steps down the voltage from 36 to 72 volts down to 12 volts. So you connect your 72 volts or your 32 volts or whichever voltage you have, and it converts it down to 12 volt, 10 amps. And it goes into the scooter and then comes back to the brushes of the alternator. So yeah, so currently it is running on 72 volts. I don't know if I said that, but yeah. So it doesn't have all the batteries currently. It's got 12 batteries, 7 ampere batteries, 6 of them connected in series, and in parallel, times 2. 6 connected in series and then times 2 in parallel, which gives you 72 volts and 14 amp hours. Okay, so basically that's it. Switch on the ignition and then we push the throttle. So currently I have not done a range test on it yet. Yeah, but I have tested the top speed that I could get on flat roads. It's about, on this clocks, it's about 60 to 70 kilometers an hour on flat roads, about 45 to 50 on uphills, and yeah, downhills you can get about almost 80. Well, close to 80, so I don't know how accurate these clocks are, but yeah, that's basically what I'm getting out of it. So that's it for the scooter. Yeah, and the box that I made. So basically I just had to lift the seat a little bit, make a box to fit all the batteries, because these Yamaha Mios are quite small. It doesn't have any seat storage compartments. Well, it's not very big, so I had to make a plan to be able to fit the batteries. So this battery case will be able to fit 3 times 6 7 amp hour batteries, which will bring it to 21 amp hour at 72 volts. So as I fit the batteries and all these other things and also do a range test, then I'll keep you guys in the loop. So that's it from me for now. Enjoy. I hope you liked it.